What is going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to my channel and checking out another product review. Tonight's review is again a little something different. Tonight we're going to be talking about a monthly subscription box. Stay tuned for the details. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys for coming back and checking out another video. Tonight's review is going to be about a monthly beard product subscription box. Tongue twister. A company out of Texas called the BlackBeard Trading Company. Owner Tyler Dahl, I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Tyler Dahl has come up with a monthly service to provide for us bearded guys. This is a veteran-owned and operated company. Tyler served with the U.S. Marines for 8 years. He also does custom woodworking. He's a licensed cigar retailer as well, and they also makes their own beard oil caddies. He makes his own beard oil products. So a little bit of everything that he sells. But tonight we're going to talk about the monthly subscription box that he offers. Just launched this, so this would be the second round of boxes that he has sent out. And as far as talking to him, everything was a success. So good job on that. And I can tell you, I think, my own personal opinion, I think this is a genius idea. You think about it, depending on your beard size, you're constantly, online looking up for beard products, having to go to the store and get what you need, or ordering even offline. With this service, basically, you don't have to do nothing but order what you want and it'll ship to you monthly. That's a brilliant idea. If you have a huge beard and you're constantly, if you're using products, and if I'm assuming I use a lot of beard oil when I put beard oil on, and by the end of the month, you're using a lot every day. You figure by the end of the month you're out. You're gonna have to go to the store, order online, wait. But when you order this, it's gonna be there the first of every month. Your first order ships within 3 days. I'll go over the details here in a second. So this is like having you sign up for the subscription. And you get your products by the first every month. That's a great idea. And the coolest part about it, it's like pirate themed. Tyler's really into the theme of pirates, and I think he does an excellent job. Everything about him is the way he does things, how he sends his emails, his letters, everything. Every single detail is just totally awesome, I think, and it's definitely, I think it's very cool what he's doing. So we'll get into the details. First, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for future uploads. I'm constantly uploading, probably every other day, so you don't miss a beat. The single item box, you only get one beard product, whether it be a beard balm or a beard oil. That's $14.99. And one more thing I want to add before I get too into detail. For those of you that had already ordered with the free shipping, you guys are going to be grandfathered into that. Anything from there on out, he's got to charge for the shipping and handling, because it's just costing him too much money to be able to handle the shipping as well as the products. I wanted to get that cleared up real quick. But anyway, for the single item, it's $14.99 a month. You get a single beard product, which would be anything from a beard balm to a beard oil. Which is some guys would like that. If that's all you need is just a balm or an oil or whatnot. And the combo box is the one I recommend for anybody to get. You get, for $29.99, you get a combo set, which is a balm and oil, and then you get a piece of man swag. which can, you know, be anything from knives to wallets, to just about anything, you know, nothing really major, but just, you know, something to add to the, you know, add to the box to make you feel a little bit more man swaggy, if that's a word. But we're gonna go over the box. What I have today is the $29.99 option. We're gonna go over what comes in that box. So when you get the box, it comes like this. And when you open it, it's very cool how he does this. Let me get my ugly mug out of there. Very cool how he does that. And you get a pirate scroll. And I'll tell you what this is in a second, because if I show you now, it'll give it away. And what you get in the box is 2 beard items. In this particular box, he sent Man Beard, I think this is Renaissance Man Beard Oil, and Renaissance Man Beard Balm. One thing I did want to point out on, as a reviewer, I get all kind of products sent to me. You know, I review them, I test them out, I use them. One thing that I kind of thought was a little crazy, Man Beard came in this box, and I haven't reviewed Man Beard's products yet, so I get to do that now. So Man Beard, be looking out for a review for that. And the man swag would be, to give you an idea of what man swag he's talking about. It's a bottle breacher. And the funny thing about this is, I just watched this on TV. It was a rerun of when these owners were actually on there. So that was, you know, I thought that was pretty neat. And the bottle breacher is basically a bottle opener, you know. If you can see that little thing right there, and it's got the nice touch of, I think it's a 50 cal. Pretty sure it's a 50 cal. 50 cal shell, which I think is freaking awesome. And this is a unique touch. I really like this. This thing, it tells you about the products you got. And of course, Beard Care Plunder, Man Beard, it tells you about the beard oil, the beard balm, and it tells you about the bottle breacher, which I think that's an excellent touch. So overall, I really like the idea of this, because you don't have to constantly, you know, worry about ordering things online or going to the store. And it's constantly something different. It ain't gonna be the same thing every month. To me, I would enjoy that, you know, something different every month. Being a reviewer, I can't tell you how many beard oils and beard balms and beard washes and co-washes I've put in my beard. It's an insane amount, we'll say. But you get an oil balm combo and a piece of swag, and for $29.99 a month, I think it's a great price. I would recommend anybody to do this, to get the $29.99 option, because like I said, it's ease of use. You order, and that's it. You don't have to do nothing else. And, you know, unless you want to cancel, you have to, you know, go fill that, the form and stuff out. But you get a different balm, different oil every month. And the approved retailers, I almost forgot to mention that. The approved retailers are Bottle Breacher, SA Face Shields, Ferocious Beard, Beard Justice, Beard Place, Man Beard, and Gray Before Shave. So very well-known beard companies that I've personally have had and tried. And all of those companies are great companies. So my opinion would be to get the $29.99 option, and then you're set. I'd like to thank Tyler for giving me the opportunity to do a review on his monthly subscription box. I think it's a great idea, and I hope you have nothing but success. And I want to thank you for your service as well in the United States Marine. And you guys, thanks you guys for sticking around for another product review. Until the next one, guys, peace.